Welcome to Daily English Grow.
Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to our quiet space. Today we are going on a beautiful journey together.
That is right. We are going to practice English for traveling. Travel is absolutely beautiful, but we know it can also make you feel a little bit nervous, especially when you have to speak a different language.
Shadowing is a wonderful way to build your confidence. As you listen to our voices, try to repeat the words immediately after us. Do not wait for the sentence to finish. Just mimic our sound, our speed, and the rhythm of our speech.
Let us start our travel journey together. Imagine we have just arrived at a large, busy international airport. The lights are bright. People are walking fast, and we need to check in for our flight. Let us practice the conversation at the check-in desk.
Good morning. I would like to check in for my flight to London, please. Yes, here is my passport and my booking reference.
Thank you. Are you checking any luggage today?
I only have one bag to check in today, and I have this small backpack as my carry-on bag. Could I please request a window seat if there is one available? I really love to look at the clouds during the flight.
Let me check that for you. Yes, we have a window seat available. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you so much. Where do I go for security control? And what time does boarding start?
Security is straight ahead, and boarding begins at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. Thank you for your help. Have a wonderful day.
Now, we are walking through the airport to the security control area. Security can feel a little stressful, but we can handle it calmly. Listen and repeat after me.
Hello, should I take my laptop out of my backpack? Okay, I will put it in this plastic bin.
Yes, please. And please remove any outerwear.
Do I need to take off my shoes and my jacket as well? Yes, of course. Here is my belt. Is it okay if I keep my watch on, or should I place it in the bin too?
Please place the watch in the bin as well. Then step through.
Thank you. I will walk through the metal detector now.
Everything is clear. You are good to go.
Everything is clear. Thank you very much. Have a safe day.
We have passed security, and now we are walking to our departure gate. Let us ask for directions because airports can be very confusing.
Excuse me, could you please help me? I am looking for gate number 24. Is it far from here?
It is just a short walk down this hallway.
Should I walk this way or go up the stairs? Oh, I see the sign now. It is next to the duty-free shop. Thank you so much for your kindness.
We are on the airplane now. The flight is smooth, and the flight attendant is coming down the aisle with drinks and snacks. Let us practice ordering something to eat and drink.
Hello, could I please have a cup of black coffee? No sugar, but a little bit of milk would be lovely, thank you.
Of course. Would you like a snack to go with that?
Also, do you have any vegetarian options for the snack? A small cheese sandwich sounds perfect. How much do I owe you for the sandwich, or is it included in the ticket?
Do not worry. It is completely included in your ticket.
It is included. That is wonderful news. Thank you very much for your excellent service.
We have landed safely at our destination. The sun is shining, and we are standing at the baggage claim area waiting for our suitcase. But let us imagine our suitcase is a bit late, and we need to ask an airport employee for assistance.
Excuse me, sir. My flight just arrived from Paris, but I cannot see my luggage on the carousel. Most of the passengers have already collected their bags. What should I do if my suitcase is lost?
I can help you report that. Do you have your baggage claim receipt?
Yes, here is my baggage claim sticker from my ticket stub. It is a large, dark green suitcase with a yellow ribbon tied to the handle. Should I fill out a missing luggage form right here?
Yes. Please fill out this form with your local contact information.
Thank you. I hope they find it soon. I am staying at the Grand Hotel downtown. Here is my phone number and email address. Please call me as soon as you have any updates. Thank you for your time.
Thankfully, they found our bag quickly. Now, we take a taxi from the airport to our hotel. Let us speak with the taxi driver.
Hello, good afternoon. Could you please take me to the Grand Hotel on Main Street? Yes, I have one large suitcase. It is right here. Can we put it in the trunk of the car?
Sure thing. Let me help you load that. Where are you heading?
Thank you. How long does it usually take to get downtown at this time of day? Is there a lot of traffic right now?
There is a little bit of traffic, but it should only take about 30 minutes.
Oh, about 30 minutes. That is not too bad at all. Is it okay if I pay with a credit card, or do you only accept cash?
Credit cards are welcome.
Excellent. I will just sit back and enjoy the view of the city.
We have arrived at our beautiful hotel. The lobby is warm and smells like fresh flowers. Let us walk up to the reception desk to check in.
Hello, good evening. I have a reservation under the name of Maya. I booked a standard double room for 4 nights.
Welcome, Maya. Let me pull up your booking. Yes, here it is. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, here is my identification card and my credit card for the deposit. Does the room price include breakfast in the morning?
It does. Breakfast is served daily.
It does? That is great. What time is breakfast served? And where is the dining room located?
It is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. on the first floor. Here are your room keys.
Perfect. Is there free Wi-Fi in the room? Could you please give me the password? Thank you. Which floor is my room on, and where are the elevators?
You are in room number 412 on the 4th floor. The elevators are right around the corner.
Room number 412 on the 4th floor. Thank you so much for your warm welcome.
Let us enter our hotel room. It is clean, cozy, and has a big window. But wait, we notice that there are no towels in the bathroom. Let us call the front desk to ask for help.
Hello, this is Maya from room 412. I just checked in a few minutes ago. The room is absolutely beautiful, but I noticed that the cleaning staff forgot to put towels in the bathroom.
Oh, I am so sorry about that. I will have housekeeping bring some up right away.
Could you please send up 2 large towels when you have a moment? There is no rush at all. Thank you so much for your quick response. I appreciate it. The next morning, we wake up feeling completely refreshed. The weather is perfect for sightseeing. We want to explore the city, but we need some local advice. Let us talk to the hotel concierge. Good morning. I am planning to see the city today, and I would love some recommendations. What are the most famous landmarks that I should visit first? I really love history, art museums, and beautiful public parks.
Welcome! You are in the perfect spot. The historic center is very close by.
Is it better to take the subway, or can I walk to the historic center from here?
It is only a 15-minute walk from our front door.
It is only a 15-minute walk? That is wonderful. Are there any traditional local restaurants nearby that you recommend for lunch? I want to try some authentic food, not a tourist place.
There is a small family restaurant right behind the old church that serves incredible local dishes. Here is a city map.
A small family restaurant behind the old church. That sounds amazing. Thank you for the map and for all these wonderful tips.
Now we are walking through the historic streets of the city. We are looking for the famous art museum, but we are a little bit lost. Let us ask a friendly person on the street for directions.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Do you speak English?
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Do you speak English?
Great. Could you tell me how to get to the National Art Museum from here? I have this map, but I am a bit confused by the street names.
It is very simple. Just walk straight down this avenue for 2 blocks. Then turn left at the big bank. The museum will be right in front of me across the square.
Is it the large gray building with the statues?
Yes, exactly.
Yes, perfect. Thank you so much for your help. Have a lovely day. We have reached the museum. The architecture is incredible. Let us buy a ticket at the entrance counter. Hello. I would like to buy one adult ticket for the main exhibition today, please. How much is the entrance fee? Is there a special discount for students?
Yes, we offer a student discount. Do you have your student ID card?
Yes, I have my university student card right here.
Perfect. That makes it 20% cheaper for you today.
Oh, it is 20% cheaper with the student card. That is fantastic. Does this ticket also include entry to the temporary modern art exhibition upstairs?
No, the Modern Art Gallery requires a separate ticket.
I think I will just stick to the main exhibition for today. Can I take photos inside the gallery, or is photography forbidden?
Photography is allowed, but please turn off your flash.
No flash photography. I understand completely. Thank you. Enjoy your day.
After spending a few hours looking at beautiful paintings, we are feeling quite hungry. We find the small restaurant behind the old church that the concierge recommended. Let us walk inside and get a table.
Hello, good afternoon. A table for one person, please. Can I sit near the window so I can watch the street?
Of course, right this way. Here is your menu.
Thank you. Could I please see the menu? Everything looks delicious. What is the special dish of the day?
Today's special is a slow-cooked vegetable stew served with fresh, warm bread.
It is a slow-cooked vegetable stew with fresh bread? That sounds perfect for lunch. I will have that, please. To drink, could I just have a bottle of sparkling water with a slice of lemon? Thank you very much.
The food was absolutely wonderful. Now it is time to pay the bill and leave a nice tip for the good service.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? The meal was absolutely delicious, and the service was excellent. Compliments to the chef for the wonderful stew.
I am so glad you enjoyed it. Will you be paying with cash or card today?
I will pay with my card. Can I add the tip directly to the card payment, or should I leave cash on the table?
You can add it directly to the card.
I can add it to the card. Perfect. Thank you for a wonderful lunch experience. Goodbye. Now that our stomachs are full, we want to buy some beautiful souvenirs for our family and friends back home. We walk into a small, charming gift shop. Hello, I am looking for some local souvenirs to take home to my family. What do you recommend that is unique to this city?
Welcome! Our most popular items are these hand-painted ceramic mugs and our local herbal tea.
Hand-painted ceramic mugs and local herbal tea? Those sound lovely. My mother absolutely loves tea, so I will take 2 boxes of the herbal tea, please. How much is this blue ceramic mug?
The blue mug is $12.
It is $12? That is a very reasonable price. I will take 1 mug as well. Could you please wrap the mug carefully in some paper so it does not break in my suitcase during the flight? Thank you so much for your help. You have a beautiful shop.
It is getting late in the afternoon and our feet are tired from all the walking. We want to take a city bus back to our hotel. Let us ask the bus driver a question before we get on.
Hello, does this bus go downtown towards Main Street? Does it stop near the Grand Hotel?
Yes, It goes straight downtown and stops right outside the hotel.
Yes? Perfect. How much is a single ticket? Can I buy the ticket directly from you with cash, or do I need a transit card?
A single ticket is $2. Cash is perfectly fine.
$2 in cash is fine. Here is a $5 bill. Thank you for the change. Could you please let me know when we arrive at the Main Street stop? I am a tourist and I am not familiar with the neighborhood. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your assistance. We are back at the hotel now, resting in the lobby. We have had such an incredible day exploring the city, speaking English, and meeting new people. Let us practice one more situation, checking out of the hotel on our final day.
Good morning. I am checking out of room 412, please. My stay was absolutely wonderful. The staff was incredibly helpful, and the room was extremely comfortable.
Thank you, Maya. We are so happy to hear that. Here are your keys back. Let me check your account.
Here are the electronic room keys. Could you please check if there are any additional charges on my account?
Everything looks good. You just have the charge for the dinner at the restaurant on Tuesday.
Just the dinner I had at the hotel restaurant on Tuesday evening. That is correct. Please charge that amount to the credit card you have on file. Could you also help me call a taxi to take me to the airport? My flight leaves in 3 hours.
Of course, I can call a taxi for you right now.
Thank you for everything. I will definitely stay here again next time I visit the city.
Shadowing these everyday conversations helps your brain memorize the natural patterns of English speech automatically.
Exactly, Leo. You do not need to memorize the exact sentences. You just need to get used to the feeling of the words flowing smoothly from your mouth.
Whenever you feel nervous about traveling or speaking, come back to this practice. Take a deep breath, listen to the rhythm, and speak with confidence.
You are doing an amazing job, and your English is growing beautifully every single day. Safe travels on your next big adventure, my dear friend.
Also, check out the show notes for links to recommended resources, including sleep-friendly English audiobooks and podcasts. See you next time.